This is the Beige Beast, rocking a 2.8 gigahertz Northwood Pentium 4 processor with 2 gigabytes of RAM on an Intel motherboard, paired with a GeForce 7600 GS graphics card, a 60 gig SATA SSD, and a DVD drive. This is an absolute beast for early 2000s PC gaming. But the question that everybody has been wanting to ask, can it run Crysis? Short answer, yes, it'll play Crysis. Not very well, but it does play it. Water's pretty choppy. Graphics look, well, you can see. For you that don't know, Crysis is a game that came out in 2007 by Crytek, and it is notoriously tough to run on PC. It was like the original PC meme of, can it run Crysis? I just love how EA doesn't have the system requirements anywhere on the box or in either the manual or this special edition art booklet, but just no PC minimum requirements. So I found them on canirunit.com, and as you can see with the CPU, we are at the bare minimum. RAM, we're good, and then the video card, we're running a 76 GS. So we're a generation newer than the minimum, but like a tier lower. So I think that's kind of probably basically the bare minimum. The recommended specs are for a Core 2 Duo and a GeForce 8800 or better. I have a couple different PCs in my collection that are either a better Core 2 Duo and video card combo or a Core 2 Quad. So we'll probably end up playing Crysis on one of those instead of this, but just kind of fun to see if it'll even run it, which it did. Let's run the benchmark for the CPU and GPU for Crysis. Let's see what it does. Look at that. I'm getting 1,000 frames per second. Told you this thing's a beast. Just for the loading screen, I guess. Here's the results of the CPU benchmark. We got 41.3, 47.7, 47.0. So about 45, I think. Let's run the GPU benchmark. The GPU benchmark ran, and it looks like we're averaging in the high 30s. So definitely not this most smooth, best experience. Now, I call this PC the Beige Beast, but this game is a little out of its realm. This PC's an absolute beast at playing anything from the early 2000s, early XP era, but Crysis was kind of on the edge of the next generation. That's right when Windows Vista came out, which, you know, Windows Vista is what it was, but by the time this game came out, this PC was already 3 years old and really considered obsolete. So I just wanted to try this game on here mostly as a joke, but yeah, we're going to be installing some more era appropriate games on it, getting some software going on it, and going to compare it to the Prescott Space Heater. So we'll have a showdown between the Beige Beast and the Prescott Space Heater, and I think that's just going to be a little fun project to do. So that's what I'm going to be working on, and in the meantime, I probably won't be playing Crysis. I'm going to save that for a newer PC. So thanks for watching.